How to verify phone number for Facebook ads account. The first things first, the process is going to be the same thing if you're using your laptop or PC or through your mobile phone. So what you need to do first is access your Facebook app or go directly to facebook.com/settings so that you will be redirected to the settings and privacy page. Now in here what you want to do next is to go to the Meta Accounts Center. Click on that. And then on the next page, you will now then be redirected to all of the email addresses that you have added to your account. Now just go to personal details and then hit on contact info. Now, if you will be verifying an existing phone number, just simply click on that and then just confirm it via SMS or via phone call. Now, if you would like to add a new phone number, then just go to the bottom part of this option that says add new contact, and then just via comply the OTP that you'll be receiving or via call, and then just enter the code. So that's how you verify your phone number on Facebook Business Ads account.